Hello guys and welcome to a new brand new video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get shaders on your Roblox game. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. You can have your own shaders. So the first thing that we will need to do to get our shaders on Roblox is to download a shaders software. It is called Rowshade. All you need to do is to go to rowshade.com and you will find this homepage. So basically now we will need just to click on download Rowshade. Of course, we are just going to download the free version. You click on download and we will have to wait so we can have our Rowshade downloaded. So we click on skip and now we have our own Rowshade. Download, we wait until it downloads, double click or click here on the downloading bar and here our Rowshade is getting installed. You click on install and of course those are the keys to toggle. You choose any key that you want to toggle shaders on and off so you can turn on and turn off your shaders, and this is the keys to open the shaders panel where you can control all the shaders, where you can add your own shaders, etc, etc. So we click on next, we add all the shaders, we click on install. As you can see, those are how the shaders looks like on the games. You click on install and you will need just to click on next, close and follow. And basically now we have our own shaders or row shade that has been installed on our local computer. So let's just go to the desktop and now we have our row shade launcher. You just click OK, and basically whenever you are entering a game in Roblox you will be able to initialize or to start this Roshade plugin or mod. So basically this is how you can get your own shaders on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you next time.